A new era of video creation just arrived, and it makes every old way instantly obsolete. Forget filming. Forget editing. Forget paying voice actors, animators, or editors. Because one AI app now does everything for you, in seconds. Right now, a breakthrough called AutoFace AI is rewriting the rules. It can take a single image and instantly turn it into a fully animated, talking video, complete with lifelike facial expressions, perfect lip syncing, and natural, human-sounding voiceovers. No camera. No actors. No manual editing. And here's the wild part, almost nobody knows this exists. While most people are still spending hours filming and editing, a small group of early adopters is already using AutoFace AI to dominate YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and business marketing. They're pumping out daily content without touching a camera, and they're not talking about it. Because once you see how powerful this is, you'll never go back to the old way again. Imagine this. You upload a single photo. Type in a topic or script, or let the AI write one for you. Click once, and in seconds, your photo becomes a high-quality, talking video. This isn't some basic animation. This is next-generation AI technology that makes it look like you actually filmed it yourself, with flawless expressions, perfect lip syncing, and a voice that sounds 100% real. You never have to record another video again. You never hire voice actors or editors. You never waste hours scripting, cutting clips, or syncing audio. AI does everything for you, instantly. And it works for anyone, in any niche, for any purpose. For years, creating high-quality videos required expensive equipment, editing skills, and endless time. Businesses paid thousands for a single promo video. Creators burned out trying to keep up. Marketers struggled to produce enough content for social media. Now, AutoFace AI removes every single obstacle. Want to grow a faceless YouTube channel? AI generates daily talking videos, without showing your face. Need marketing videos for your business? AI creates high-converting ad content on demand. Want to sell videos to clients? Create them in minutes and charge $100, $500, even $1,000 per project. This isn't just a tool, it's an advantage. Because the ones using this first will dominate before the rest of the world even realizes what's happening. Every major platform is pushing video harder than ever. YouTube Shorts get 10x more engagement than normal videos. TikTok favors AI-generated content in its algorithm. Instagram and Facebook are prioritizing video in every feed. And yet, 99% of people are still doing it the hard way, wasting time, money, and energy. You're seeing this before the masses. Which means you get to be ahead of the curve while everyone else struggles to catch up. Right now, you have a choice. Keep grinding with outdated methods, or click the button below to get instant access to AutoFace AI, and start creating unlimited high-quality videos, on demand, with zero effort. This isn't just a shortcut. This is the future of video content. And today, you have the chance to be one of the first to use it. But once this goes mainstream, the early mover advantage disappears. So if you're serious about dominating YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, business marketing, or content creation, click the button below before this gets out.